Hello and welcome to Trinity Stamp's September release. Today I will be showing you the A-2 Quilted Cover Plate die. This single cover die cuts a panel that is sized 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, which is standard A-2 size, and features a quilted stitched pattern. Pair this with our coordinating Quilted Pattern Trio 6 by 9 stencil to quickly add hearts, stars, or polka dots in between the stitched details. This die set is made of 100% carbon steel as always. So I'm going to show you this cover plate in action. So I'm just taking a bright piece of cardstock so you can see what the pattern looks like up close. So here's our cutout. You can see it cuts it out the regular A2 size, and it puts that impression, quilted impression, throughout the whole piece of paper. Gives nice smooth edges as well. Next, I'm going to show you just a bunch of different types of cardstock and paper and how this quilted die looks on those. So next, I'm just taking a smaller piece of paper, and I'm going to run that through just so I get that quilted impression on that paper. So you can keep that in mind that you can use smaller papers as well. From there, I took the rectangle die from the frame and fold die set and put that quilted piece of paper on top of that. And you can see here it gives it a really nice finished look with a stitched edge. Next up, I took some Bristol Smooth cardstock, cut it out with my cover plate, and then applied some watercolor over the whole thing. Next up, I did a piece of craft cardstock. And then next I have just a piece of smooth cardstock. I wanted to show you the difference here. So this is what it looks like with very smooth cardstock. And then the next one up is almost that like linen-y, lined, thicker cardstock. And so it still works great with both. I just want to show you kind of the difference of how it looks. Next up, I have some card examples for you. So the background of this card, I used the quilted cover plate. In this card, I took my Distress Oxide sprays and sprayed it all around the back and then cut it out with a cover plate. So it's a really cool textured look, and you can still see all the little stitched lines perfectly. And I think this one was my favorite. So I went through and put a little gem on each center of the open part of the little stitched lines, and I just think it looks so glam. It's so pretty. Next up, I have some design team examples of what my fellow design team members have done using the quilted cover plate. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Trinity Stamp's YouTube page and our Facebook page, Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation, for lots of crafty inspiration and fun. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.